What's up, everybody? Kip Johnson here, Jones Group Realtors, here for episode 3 in historic downtown Oregon City at the Verdict Bar and Grill. I'm excited because this place is owned by a friend of mine, Jake Joy from high school. Let's go check it out. As a realtor in Oregon, I'm constantly going to new restaurants and meeting new clients. I have created Left Coast Eats to share some of the great local food I have found. What's up, everybody? This is Kip Johnson here with Jake Joy, the owner of Verdict Bar and Grill, the Upscale Cafe, and the Holding Cell. How long have you guys been in business?
The Verdict's been here for almost 10 years, but I've been in business for about a year and a half now.
Awesome. Business is going good?
Yeah, it's busy every day.
Good. What's your menu like?
So we do like American steakhouse kind of thing, slash pub. So higher end burgers, one of the only places on the strip that does a true steak. Fish tacos are our most famous item. So pub slash steak.
Awesome. I know that the Oregon City Main Street has won some awards. What are those awards?
Last year we won the Best Main Street in America award.
And the Verdict has also won some awards, correct?
Yeah, we're best happy hour in the city of Oregon City. Happy hour is 3 to 6 every day, and then we have a late night at 9 to close. My favorite item is the steak bites. They're phenomenal. But it's the perfect amount of food for a couple people to snack on while they're having a nice cocktail.
Awesome. I'm excited. Let's go cook some food.
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's try out this Verdict mac and cheese. Get a little bacon. This mac and cheese with thick cut bacon bits, breadcrumbs, and 2-cheese blend is amazing. Then you add in that truffle oil. This is some of the best mac and cheese I've ever had. This is definitely some of the best mac and cheese in town. If you love mac and cheese, you're gonna love it at the Verdict.
First thing that we focus on is, making people feel welcome. People like to call us the Cheers of Oregon City. Everybody kind of knows who you are.
What are some of the cool features of the Verdict?
The ghost.
The ghost.
So there's a guy. And he walks around occasionally. Most of the time, you don't see anybody in particular, but stuff coming off the shelves out of nowhere, lights flickering all the time, and then that cold, eerie feeling occasionally that you get,
yeah.
And the fire's going, it's warm, and all of a sudden you get this breeze on the back of your neck. It's pretty eerie.
Creepy. I don't really believe in ghosts.
Not that I believe in ghosts either, but he's here.
Oh wow! All right, we have to watch out for him. Whether you're looking for classic comfort food or American steakhouse favorites, you'll find the best of both worlds at the Verdict Bar and Grill on the corner of 8th and Main in historic downtown Oregon City. Have a cocktail and enjoy the vintage atmosphere during the award-winning happy hour, and maybe even see a spooky ghost. Thanks for watching this episode of Left Coast Eats. I'm Kip Johnson. Have a great day.